Here's an exam style question. Ocean World has an underwater viewing tunnel. The diagram shows the cross section of the tunnel. It consists of part of a circle with a horizontal base. The radius of the circle is 1.95 meters and the width of the base is 2.5 meters. Calculate the height of the tunnel. So let's look at what we have in this question. So we've talked about the radius. We have 1.95. The width of the base, so this whole base here is 2.5, and we need to find the height. Well, we'll notice that, again, this is a chord. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop a line through the center of the chord, and that is going to meet it at 90 degrees, and it'll split that chord into two equal parts. So when we split that into two equal parts, each of these are now 1.25 in length. So I need to find the height. Well, the height is this length here in pink plus this length in orange. Now, the length in orange is a radius. So you'll see here that from the center to the edge, again, is a radius, but that could be anywhere on the circle. So from here, from the center to the edge, that is actually 1.95 meters. And we need to find the pink length. So what I'm going to do, this length here is in a triangle, a right angle triangle. So if I just sketch it out on the side, I'm trying to find this x. I know this is 1.25, and here this is 1.95 as my hypotenuse. So I'm going to use Pythagoras' theorem. So I'm trying to find a shorter side. This is 1.95 squared minus 1.25 squared, and that will give me x squared. When I work that out, that gives me x squared. So the 1.95 squared minus 1.25 squared, that gives me 2.24. And then when I square root that, I'm going to get x equals 1.5. So I've worked out this height here as being 1.5 meters. Now I want the whole height. So we know to get the height, we need to add the 1.195, so the 1.95 plus 1.5, and when we put that together, we are going to get 3.45 meters. So the height is 3.45 meters.